guys, it's only me, Jenny, just Jenny journaling. I thought I might just try a little unboxing on IGTV. I haven't been able to upload for a while. So I've ordered some napkins. I think I'll go through, do a share with those in a mo. But I did put a little order into Rosie at R'ATELIER on Instagram, and she does all these lovely vintage ephemera boxes and ephemera pieces. And this month I didn't indulge in a box because there were some other bits and pieces that I really wanted to have a look at and order, so I ordered those instead. Sometimes you can't do everything, and I just thought I'd just do a little share of what I've done, what I've ordered. I wanted to get quite a few botanical bits and pieces and things for the autumn, so that's what we've gone for. And I thought you might like a little share with me. I'll pop this up here, I'll pop that there because you might be able to just have a quick look and see how things look. So I will be doing quite a few autumnal journals in the next few months or few weeks even, and I thought that these washes looked absolutely beautiful. I don't know what you think. How gorgeous are they? Don't know what the pattern repeat is. I think I might just pop one. I might just pop one straight on here actually, onto my page, and then we can have a little looky, can't we? We can have a little looky and see how that looks. How lovely is that? So even just individually that would be nice, wouldn't it? And I think, I don't know how pattern repeats. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of lovely images on that washi. So that was the first thing I ordered. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing some bespoke journals as well. I'm working on them now, botanically themed ones, bespoke for some assembly notebooks. And this was another one. This was, if you can see, Beautiful Life. Let's have a look at that. I wonder. I keep forgetting it's not YouTube. I need to hurry up a little bit, don't I? This is quite herbal. All the ferns. Oh, leaves and herbs. So that's the second washi that I picked up. Now I'll put them all on there. That will be 2 washes, and then I went for just some like little sticker pieces. Quite a few of those. And again, let's get kind of a blankish page, shall we? And just pop some on there and see how they look. Let's see how they look. So quite a few of these beautiful stickers, botanical. Pretty they almost look like you've pressed flowers of your own. That's going to be a lovely effect, isn't it? That's going to be lovely. Can you imagine? Just popped on something like that on your page. Just how subtle. What a subtle piece that will look like. So I thought those look lovely. So did that. And what else did I go for? These are might order. What you get? These kind of steampunky, industrially type, botanically type things. Enjoy each day. How fun are they? I don't know if you can see that. Look for those. Always loving a bird cage. Always loving a bird cage. Little frame. So some of those. Actually, I've got a giveaway I'm working on. It's been in my little file of to-dos. The Tilly, the Instagram giveaway journal. So, quite nice in that, couldn't they? And then I went for these like stickery. Oh wow! I think it was the ferns, to be honest, that really caught my eye. So these again are stickers, transfers. Oh, he's going to be absolutely gorgeous. What's that again? And these are square. I've gone for some of those. But those would be nice on the front of an altered chocolate maker, wouldn't they? All the possibilities are endless. Possibilities are endless. And very quickly, I'm going to 7 months. These were mainly butterflies, if I remember rightly. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my word, really Art Nouveau. I found a couple of bits and pieces in my stash that really do lend themselves to an Art Nouveau kind of book, kind of journal. And so, oh, how lovely, how lovely, how lovely, how lovely. Do love this. So these are the sort of things, apart from does handmade traveller's notebooks, she makes them herself. These are some lovely bits. And very quickly, because already I've gone to 8 minutes, just some napkins that I've picked up. And they've just arrived. So you'll be seeing, I really want to be doing quite a few bits and pieces with napkins. Aren't they beautiful? Nasturtiums. And just a plain sunflower. So that's it, guys. So it's my share at the moment for my latest R'ATELIER haul and napkin bits and bobs, which you will be seeing in projects coming up. Take care. Bye bye.